Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is me, Viola Chimdi, and in today's video I am trying out something I have never done before on my natural hair, which is using okra gel on my natural hair. Guys, the okra that I use are the heads of the okra that I use in making soup. I cut out the head and also some slices of the okra. I just took out some for this hair treatment. Okay, I just want to see what people has been saying about okra. I want to feel it by myself. I want to experience it by myself. So that is why I am trying out this hair treatment. I am using it as a pre-poo. What I did was get the okra, soak it in water, and after many hours I use my hand to squash the okra to help the gel to come out. Then I sieved it out and transfer it into an applicator bottle, okay, which is an improvised bottle that I used a nail to pierce. So guys, I just took down my cornrows. I've had my cornrows for 9 days, so I just took it down, and I'm using this okra as a pre-poo because I'm about to wash my hair, and I want to use it as a pre-poo and also as a detangler. But guys, I didn't see anything special. It's just like I'm pouring water on my hair. Like, I didn't see the sliminess, or immediately I put the okra on my hair, it's just as if I sprayed water on my hair. But when I pour the okra on my hands, it is very slimy, but not on my hair. On my hair it feels like I just poured water on it. But one thing I noticed is that it somehow defined my coils. I don't know if it's the okra or just the water, I don't know, but I feel like it defined my coils, and the tangling wasn't that easy. Even though I had to finger detangle my hair before using a comb, the tangling wasn't still easy. I still started from the ends of my hair and worked my way up, but the tangling wasn't easy. So guys, okra has so many benefits. It contains good minerals and vitamins, that strengthens the hair strand, and it also moisturizes the hair. Like, it gives the hair a very deep moisture feel. So that is why I continue to use it, even though I don't feel the sliminess. Maybe it's from the type of okra that I use. Maybe I should have used the body of the okra and not the head of the okra. Next time I'm going to be trying out the body of the okra. Like, I'm going to slice enough, soak it in water, or maybe boil it and try to see if there will be any difference. But my reaction, or my honest review of using this okra gel on my hair, is that it's just as if I used water on my hair. There is no much difference between applying the okra on my hair and applying water on my hair. To me, I don't know about other people, but that is my experience with this okra gel. Okay, if you have used okra gel before, let me know your experience in the comment section, and also let me know the mistake that that I made. The water I added, is it much, or I should have used the main body of the okra? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so I still went ahead to apply the okra gel all over my hair, massage my hair with it, finger detangle my hair, and also put my hair in this large twist. I'll be leaving this treatment on my hair for like 10 minutes. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Don't forget to like the video and also leave a comment for me in the comment section. See you all in my next upload.